Department of Justice sasagutin itong motion to quash ni Vice President Sara Duterte ukol sa kinakaharap na kasong grave threats. May report si Bombo Grant Hilario.
Tiniyak ng Department of Justice na kanilang sasagutin ang inihayang motion ni Vice President Sara Duterte sa korteng may hawak ng kinakaharap na kasong grave threats. Sa nagrap na pulong balita ng kagurana, ibinagi mismo ni Prosecutor General Richard Anthony Fadulyon na sila'y maghahain ng komento ukol sa naturang motion. Handaan niya itong sagutin ng prosekusyon, ngunit kinakailangan pa raw munang makita ang basis o naging batayan ng kampo ng ikalawang Pangulo sa paghahain ng motion to quash. Giyat na opisyal na hindi kasi maaaring hulaan na lamang nila ng basta-basta lamang ang mga nakasaad sa motion sa kanilang pagsusumite ng komento sa hukuman. Habang tumanggi ng sagutin ni Prosecutor General Fadulyon ang tanong kung nananatiling kumpiyansa ang Department of Justice na papabura ng korte ang kanilang isinampang kaso kontra sa Vice Presidente.
Well, I cannot speak for how the court will rule. However, we will be filing our comment to as soon as we see what the basis is of the defense in asking for the quashal of the information. Malalaman lang namin yan pag nakakuha na kami ng kopya at batay dun sa sagot na dun sa motion na or mga aligasyon na nakalagay dun sa motion, yun ang sasagutin natin. So hindi namin masasabi kung ito ba'y kung ano ang grounds hanggat hindi namin nakikita at hindi namin maaring hulaan. Although we are hopeful that we will be able to give a comment to that said motion.
Inamin naman opisyal na kanilang hindi pa formal natatanggap ang kopya ng inihayang motion to quash ng ikalawang Pangulo. Tanging kautusan pa lamang daw ng korte ang natanggap, nagsasabi at nag-uutos sa prosekusyon na maghain ng komento kaugnay sa nabanggit na motion.
Well, we have not received our copy yet of the motion. We just were forwarded a copy of the order of the court. The order of the court stating that the prosecution is given a period to file yung kanyang comment doon sa motion to recall or to hold in abeyance the issuance of the warrant of arrest and motion to quash was received yesterday. So most likely we anticipate that it could have been filed either Tuesday or Wednesday of this week.
Kahapon ay kinumpirma mismo ni Prosecutor General Fadulyon ang paghahain ni Vice President Sara Duterte ng motion to quash sa hukuman. Sa pamamagitan nito'y hinihiling ng kampo ng akusado na mabasura o ma-recall ang kasong isinampa ng prosekusyon sa korte. Binigyan ng kagurana ng 5 araw para formal na ihain sa hukuman ang komento o kasagutan ng prosekusyon sa motion ng kabilang kampo.
We just received information that the court had already received motions to quash coming from the defense, and the prosecution was given a period of 5 days within which to file its comment to the same before it will resolve the issue. So on the matter of the details pertaining to the case itself, it will all depend on how the court will resolve the motion. We have not received it, and we are expecting to get hold of a copy before the end of the week, and we will be filing our comment forthwith. After that, we'll find out what the ruling of the court is on the motion to quash.
Si Vice President Sara Duterte ay naharap sa kasong grave threats dahil sa pagbabanta nito sa buhay ni na Pangulong Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., First Lady Lisa Araneta Marcos at former House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Ito po si Bombo Grant Hilario, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 radio network in the country. Your trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio, Bombo!